So, well, I'm really not qualified to speak this afternoon because I didn't even know Pankajanghri at all. I knew a little bit of England, but not very well, and maybe said a few words to him in my life. And I also don't think I can say anything very meaningful because these are impossibly difficult acts to follow, as it so happens. But I'm convinced that worship of the deity is probably the most important part of our movement. I mean, aside from book distribution and Harinam and nice prasadam and everything. At least I've noticed that we can all put aside our individual differences, and we all have a lot of them. And when it comes to deity worship, we just we sit in and do the right things because that's what Prabhupada wanted us to do. And he set the perfect example for installing deities throughout the movement. And I'm very grateful for the people that are carrying on his tradition. It's not an easy thing to do. Sometimes he surprised us by saying things that we thought were obvious or not so obvious, but it's important that we adhere to the essential things, essential features of our movement. So that's all I have to say. And I know that Pankajanghri is going to be sorely missed, and I haven't been to Mayapur myself for about 25 or 30 years, so I don't know much about him or the deity worship set up in Mayapur, but I know it's universally loved, and I know that he and his twin brother are universally loved, and they'll be very sorely missed. Hare Krishna. I'm only here because I was invited, and I thought it was appropriate, even though I don't know the person that we're talking about today, but I just feel I have an obligation to Prabhupada's movement to speak something. Thank you.
Thank you, Ron. Thank you so much.